Scalping on Quotex involves making multiple quick trades with the aim of profiting from small price movements. It is a fast-paced strategy that requires precision and quick decision-making. Here's how to implement scalping on Quotex. Open a Quotex account. If you haven't already, create and log into your Quotex account on the official platform. Select a liquid market. Choose a highly liquid asset for scalping, such as currency pairs, commodities, or indices. Liquid markets tend to have smaller spreads, which is ideal for scalping. Use short time frames. Set your chart to short time frames. Short time frames give you a better opportunity to capture quick price movements. Use indicators for entry or exit points. Consider using technical indicators like RSI, moving averages, or Bollinger Bands to spot entry and exit points. RSI helps identify overbought or oversold conditions. Moving averages helps detect trends. Bollinger Bands can indicate volatility and price targets. Set a small profit target. Since scalping is based on small price changes, set small profit targets. This ensures quick exits and reduces the risk of market reversal. Manage risk. Always use risk management techniques like stop-loss orders or only risking a small percentage of your balance per trade. Monitor closely and execute fast. As scalping relies on speed, keep your focus sharp and execute trades quickly based on your strategy. Avoid holding positions for too long.